Hi there, my name is Cynthia Wakio. I'm the Communication and Events Manager here at Corporate Staffing Services. Today we're going to be telling you why you should register your CV with us. I am joined by our CEO, Mr. Pamina Swainaina, who is going to take us through this. Karibu sana.
Thank you, Cynthia, for having me.
All right.
Yeah.
So tell us, what are the benefits of a candidate registering their CV with us?
Now, when it comes to job search, it helps for one to be prepared and ready for opportunities. So how we help candidates is on our platform, and I'm sure this is where they are watching the video from. We make sure that you're able to upload your CV, and not just upload your CV, we get to know you. For example, as you can see below here, apart from your personal details, we get to understand your salary, we get to understand your industry, we get to understand the years of experience. We also get to understand other aspects. For example, have you been a leader? Have you been able to manage a team? So the more information we have about you, Cynthia, the easier it is for us to be able to match you whenever an opportunity comes. So, and the way we're able to match you is with all these records you have about yourself, then we're able to compare you with what the employers, our clients, are looking for. And when there's a good match, we're able to contact you. And even before we contact you, we normally send daily updates. So whenever we have an opportunity, we get to send you an alert through email. And that way you're also able to keep abreast with what is happening.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You mentioned your clients. What kind of clients are you talking about, and what kind of jobs are available?
That's a very good question. Over the 10 years that we've been in business, we've been able to consult for various clients, and I would say across the larger East Africa. So we have clients in Kenya, Uganda, Tanzania, Ethiopia, and even South Sudan. So we've been able to consult for over 1,600 employers. And majority of these, I would say, they are from medium-sized to large organization. And 5% of those are foreign companies looking to do business in Kenya. So again, if you look at our website below, you'll be able to, we provided you with just a few of our clients, and you see we've been able to consult for clients across different sectors and industries. So our clients range from NGOs, manufacturing, banks, financial institutions. So the only people that we don't consult for are government, government employers, that's at the county level and even at the national level. Yeah.
That's a wide range of clients.
Oh, yes, yes.
Yeah. And what are the jobs available? What kind of jobs?
Very good question. So if you have, I would say, 3 years of experience and above, then you're an ideal candidate. So unfortunately, because it's the employers that pay for the service, you find they only come to us when they are looking for a certain skill set. So we don't hire, we don't recruit for fresh graduates, because employers, when they're coming to us in there, they're looking for people who already have experience. And so if you have 3 years of experience and above, then I would highly encourage you to upload your CV with us.
Yeah. So here I am. I am a candidate. I have registered my CV with you. Is there a guarantee that I should get a job?
Now, us having your CV, I would say it's one step to you getting a job. But remember now, there's another process that comes in. Why? Number one, you still have to express an interest in a job that you qualify, because there are instances you could upload your CV today, tomorrow you get a job through your other means. And so what we do is we send you an alert telling you, oh, Cynthia, this company looking to hire this. Are you interested? So if you're interested, then you can let us know. So from there, our process is when you express an interest, you have to come for an interview, which is more of a discussion. We get to understand you better. We get to see whether are you really a good fit. And then if you're a good fit, we recommend you to the final interview with the client. So you find is the client who decides, Cynthia, are you qualified for us? Do you meet our salary requirement and anything else? So as we don't guarantee you job, because the decision rests with the employer, it's not us. But what we can guarantee you is if you apply for a job where you are qualified, and qualified, I mean, if you meet at least 70 to 80% of the requirements, then you'll be able to recommend you to an employer. And I had forgotten to say this, that you uploading your CV, registering your CV with us, it's free of charge. We will not ask you for 100 shillings, 50, like some other, recruiters who are not accredited. Us, you don't have to pay anything. Employer is the one who pays us when they hire you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You've mentioned that this service is free. What other thing makes CSS stand out?
That's a very good question. So the minute we get your CV, we make sure that we empower you in your job search. So what does this mean? So on a weekly basis, on an ongoing basis, we send you, not only do we send you jobs that suits your qualification and skills, we will also be receiving timely tips on CV writing, interview preparation, and even trainings to be able to empower you. I would say there are very few other HR firms or recruiters who are doing this. So on an ongoing basis, we are teaching you how can you become better as a professional, whether it's in terms of how do you craft your CV, or how do you handle interview questions, to even what skills are you required, in the modern workplace so that you can be able to thrive. So I would say for us, whether you get a job today or tomorrow with us, you start really reaping the benefits from the word go, because we'll be supporting you through articles, and sometimes we even have free trainings that you can be able to attend. Yeah. So a professional, they have a lot to gain when they upload their CV with us.
Yeah. All right. So top of mind, I know you have a lot of success stories that you've encountered. What stands out for you in terms of success stories?
Now, over those 10 years we've been in business, we've been able to place over 13,000 professionals. And now what we started doing in the last 2 years, we've been profiling candidates who passed through our hands. So below in this page that you're watching the video, you can be able to click, and there's a link which will take you to the candidate testimonials. And every week we profile candidates who've used our service, what their experience has been with us, candidates across different sectors, different industries, across different experience levels. So I would say there are so many success stories. And in any given month, we are always hiring between 20 to 30 professionals. So we may not be able to profile everyone. So we pick at random and we post them on our website. So if you want more details on the kind of people we work with, how we've been able to assist them, I would highly encourage you visit the candidate testimonials, and you'll be able to learn a lot.
Yeah. All right. Thank you for that. So for a candidate watching this, what advice would you give them, and what are the next steps?
For me, what I would tell them is, number one, you do have to invest in your career. And investing in your career means looking at how you can be able to stand out. So there's a lot of content now online. I myself, we do have a YouTube channel where we post a lot of content, and you can be able to learn a lot. The other thing to know is that you have to be patient. Job search it's a marathon, it's not a sprint. So registering your CV, have the patience, keep looking at visiting our website to see the kind of opportunities that we have. And that is to know that also there's a lot of help out there. Feel free to consult either your friends or even people like us as professionals. If you'd also want to visit our office, we are open between 8 to 5 p.m. And that's on weekdays, and weekends between 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. You can visit. You can get to talk to any of our recruiters. It's free of charge. Yes, and we'll be able to help you where we can. We can't be able to guarantee jobs. I'll be lying if I told you we can guarantee you a job. But what I can tell you and assure you is that we'll be able to empower you throughout your job search process. And if it's a job, you see a job where you qualify, you meet 80% of the requirements, then feel free to go ahead and apply.
Thank you so much for taking us through this session. It's good to actually realize CSS does more. We look into empowering candidates, which is a good thing. Thank you so much.
Thank you too.
Thank you so much for watching this video. As you've heard, register your CV with us. You'll get jobs customized to your qualifications, you'll get career advice, and you don't get to miss out on opportunities. Thank you so much.